If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alright, so welcome to the room tour of room 9004 here on MSC World America Solo Ocean View Cabin. So first, starting off with the bathroom. Now this is going to be a full-size bathroom that you would see on any interior cabin. It does come with the shower, gel, the shampoo, all that right there. It's a fully stocked, full size. Now, like almost all the MSC cruise ships, to power the room, you do need a plastic card in here. It doesn't have to be your voiders card, but any plastic card that can fill that sensor, it works. Now, if you don't have anything in here, the power is going to shut off, and this is how you control your AC, your lights, and everything. As you can see, it's counting down. So put a card in there, it goes away. All right, and then next is going to be your bed. Now, this is a full-size bed. I know what you all think it's a king-size bed. This is a full-size bed. Again, this is solo pricing, so essentially no single supplement, things like that. But before we go into the bed, let's look at some of the things over here. So right here, you do have an included safe, and then all your storage and stuff like that. So this ship is made for, at least at the moment, it's made for 7-night cruises, so this is more than enough space for 7 nights. And then over here, you do have a reading lamp. Just touch to turn it on. You can also turn on the main power right here. And as you all can see, USB-C connector. So if you want to charge your phone to your bed right there, don't worry about any outlets or anything like that. Again, this is your bed. Now to the right of your bed, you do have a phone, and then you do have all your other outlets. So altogether, this room has 7 outlets. You have one over there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all your outlets, you have the European outlets, you have the standard outlets, USB-Cs, USB-A, you have everything you need right there. And then if you want some ice cold water, ask them to refill it. You also have a mini bar. Now it's currently locked, which is good because I don't plan on using it. But if you do want to actually use it, just talk to your cabin steward, say, hey, I want to use my mini bar, they come and unlock it, and then you write down whatever you use. Right here is a little stool. You can sit on a little ottoman, and then also like a little table as well. So if you want to sit here and do some work at the desk, have at it. Again, you got a mirror right there, that's me. And then again, this is a ocean view cabin. Now again, this is 9004. This one is considered obstructed, I'm assuming, because I could not see the entire ocean. I could just see a portion of it. But either way, it's pretty cool. All right, and then over here you do have a trash can. You have a decent sized TV. Let's see if it swivels, and it does. So not all the way, but you can move it around a little bit. If I were to guess, that's about a 50-inch TV right there. And then you have all your breakfast orders and stuff like that, and your TV remote. And that's pretty much it. So everything you need, again, you can literally get on this cruise ship for less than, depending on the sale, around $400 to $500 for a beautiful 7-night cruise.